relatives, this is Dr. Suchitra. Today we'll discuss about Brahmi Muhurta or Brahma Muhurta. So what is this Brahma Muhurta? Brahma Muhurta is defined as the specific time which is auspicious for waking up in the morning according to Ayurveda. And one should start their day by waking up at Brahma Muhurta, because Brahma Muhurta is the specific time which recharges our biological rhythm and maintains the rhythm and pattern all day. And by waking up at this time, our body can synchronize with the rhythm of the sun. But due to deranged lifestyle, our biological clock is getting affected. As a result, undesirable traits and diseases are evolving. But we can change this unhealthy lifestyle by following Dinacharya and Ritucharya, that is daily regimen and seasonal regimen as explained by Ayurveda. And Brahmi Muhurta is the first step in Dinacharya. Brahmi Muhurta not only recharges our biological rhythm, but also it is the best time for maintenance of physical, mental and spiritual activities of the body. And also it helps in rejuvenating many physiological functions of the body related to hormones and nervous system. And it is the best time to secrete all hormones. So what is the exact time of Brahmi Muhurta? Can everyone wake up at Brahmi Muhurta? Is there any exception? And what is the scientific explanation behind Brahmi Muhurta and detailed benefits of Brahmi Muhurta, and what are the rules to be followed to wake up at Brahmi Muhurta, and what should be done after waking up at Brahmi Muhurta? To know answers to all these questions, please watch the video till end and don't forget to subscribe my channel. What is the literary meaning of Brahma Muhurta? Brahma means knowledge and Muhurta means time. So it is the best time for gaining knowledge. And what is the time of Brahma Muhurta? Brahma Muhurta is the 14th Muhurta of the night, and there are 30 Muhurtas in 24 hours, that is 15 Muhurtas in the night and 15 Muhurtas in the day, and each Muhurta is equal to 48 minutes. And since the sunrise is after the 15th Muhurta of the night, the gap between the 14th Muhurta and sunrise will be 96 minutes. So one should wake up 1.5 hours before sunrise. So this period is called Brahma Muhurta. But the time of sunrise varies each day according to geographic location and the time of year. So the time of Brahma Muhurta also changes. For example, if the sunrise is at 6 am, the Brahma Muhurta starts at 4:24 am. If the sunrise is at 7 am, the Brahma Muhurta begins at 5:24 am. So it changes according to geographic location. Now let's see the scientific explanation behind Brahma Muhurta. Melatonin is a hormone secreted by pineal gland, and it is secreted during the darkness and it is not secreted in the daylight. And the peak secretion of melatonin aligns with the time of Brahma Muhurta. Melatonin helps to create the state of wakefulness and alerts our mind, and this helps in meditation and studies. And also it is noted that it plays a little role in regulating the sexual functions of human being. And also there is another hormone called cortisol, which is secreted in the early morning, and the rate of secretion of cortisol is high in the morning and low in the evening. And this cortisol hormone helps to withstand the stress and trauma in our life. Since these hormones are secreted in the early morning, and waking up at this time helps to concentrate on ourselves and helps in deep meditation, and also helps to control our mind, and also helps in physiological functions of the body. And not only this, by rising at this time, our body can synchronize with the rhythm of the sun, and vitamin E and vitamin D are found in abundant quantity in the morning sun rays. And also nascent oxygen will be liberated in the early morning, and this will easily and readily mix up with the hemoglobin to form oxyhemoglobin, which reaches the remote tissues and nourishes them. And this helps in reducing oxidative stress, and thus in return it delays our aging. And this nascent oxygen not only delays the aging but also boosts the immune system, and also increases our energy and maintains the pH of blood, and also relieves soreness, pain and cramps. and also enhances the absorption of minerals and vitamins. So this ends part 1. In the next part, we'll discuss what are the other benefits of Brahma Muhurta explained in Ayurvedic textbooks, and what are the rules to be followed to wake up at Brahma Muhurta, and what should be done after waking up at Brahma Muhurta. So stay tuned for my next video, and thanks for watching.